demonstrate to you how to calculate pension as well as gratuity for an employee who started working as a temporary employee and then later he was contracted on permanent terms. He started working as a temporary employee on 1st January 1990, and on 1st January 2020 he was contracted on permanent terms, and then he retired on mandatory retirement age. Please watch and listen how to calculate. Date of birth 2/4/1975. Date of first appointment 1 January 1990. Date of the expiry of expiry of first appointment 1/1/2000. Okay, this is how we calculate, simply that. Thank you very much for watching and listening.